everybody? It's your boy King Sully. We back in this thing with another one. Tonight we headed out here to do something a little bit different, guys. Headed out to this social kind of like a networking event. Big shout out to Aaliyah Pope and Drake Hill Wrights, two really important influences that we got here in Arkansas. So, you know, Arkansas has a pretty small scene of all those type of things. So really got to hold on to those people, you know, that that's doing great things as far as social media and content creating and things like that. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of YouTubers, Facebook people, and TikTokers, things like that. I just felt like it was something pretty good, you know, for me, and for me to be taking things real serious. This year I said I'm gonna take it as serious as I ever have. So 2025, man, we gotta go up. I'm out here trying to network. Just you know, gonna have a good time tonight. Just gonna act natural and, you know, be myself. I've never been like more of a social type of person, y'all, just to be honest. Do my own thing as much as I can. I know with me doing being a YouTuber and all that type of stuff, you gotta be social to a certain extent, no matter what. But yeah, I mean, it's just me. So just, you know, kind of going out of my shell, and I've been trying to do many more things, and not just trying. I'm doing it this year, y'all. Taking it very serious. So yeah, man, I'm just trying to entertain y'all as much as possible. Get some tips from other people. You know, you always can learn from somebody else. You don't know everything. So yeah, with me trying to get to 10K right now, I'm almost there. All those things play into this, you know, just me. This is me, you know, reaching out and seeing what other people have to say. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people find things cool about my page, and I'm gonna find some things cool about theirs. So yeah, this is gonna be really cool, y'all. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna record a little bit while I'm there, and hopefully I can get in and everything. I'm late and all that, but it's all good. All right, guys.
Figure out why you invited me here and didn't have no chicken, because I was trying to figure out, because I went to the back and I knew for sure that there was gonna be some chicken back there, and the lady gonna tell me that it was some chicken in the burrito. That's not the same thing. I need a wing. Alright, so if y'all invite me in, not you, because the hardest part about doing is understanding.
Chicken, just kidding, that's not my stick. But the day I don't feel like doing what the people want to see, I already either have something created or have a system that helps me to push out content even when I'm not on my best day. And that takes a lot of forethought, it takes planning, it takes the time when maybe my kids aren't home for an hour and I sit and I'm a little bit more grounded and focused. systems is so important.
It's your boy King Sully on all platforms. King Sully 870. I need y'all to go and follow Aaliyah as well. Aaliyah is a goat. She's an Arkansas goat.
Thank you.
But we don't have too many people doing the stuff that she does. What's up, y'all? So look, your boy had to get up early morning. I'm tired and all that, but you know, we grinding, guys. We grinding. So I had to go on ahead and check in with y'all just to add this in the middle of the video. I do want to say on this one, I want to apologize to you guys for like me kind of, I know that we were all kind of shorted on this one. It really is not my fault like that, but my camera gave me an error. More so the memory card. The memory card gave me an error message just the other day, and I should have known it was finna go in a bad direction. Got ready to upload today. I was finna edit and all that, and you know I have to put the footage from my camera on the phone so I can edit and all of that. But when I got ready to switch it over, it absolutely would not do it. I couldn't see any of my stuff from like recently that I've been recording. Everything I've been recording lately has been on that one memory card. So kind of mad about all that, but at the same time, you know, we grinding, y'all. I'm not stopping nothing. So just gotta keep going hard and harder by the day. But yeah, it's all good, man. I still got a chance to get most of the highlights, as y'all see. And I just want to say big shout out to Aaliyah Pope and Drakeia. They really did their thing with that event, y'all. I took a lot from it, and it was so useful. And I did meet a lot of people, a lot of great connections, entrepreneurs, business people, creators, influencers. Like, it was great. And Arkansas, like I said, we don't have that spotlight like we could. I don't know why, but we definitely will. It's on the way. And you know, with things like this, that's the way we're gonna grow. And you know, with me having my YouTubers car show, things like that, we on our way, guys. We just gotta get seen, and we got people all around the state doing their thing. I know Little Rock is, you know, really doing their thing, but the whole state as a whole, Fayetteville, you got Fort Smith doing their thing, my city, Helena, like it's places all around. So, you know, big shout out to all the areas in Arkansas, the 479, the 870, 501, man. They all doing their thing. But yeah, I'm so mad about me not being able to post everything from that little weekend. It was pretty cool, but at least I got a chance to do something, so I'm not really too mad, y'all. But this is the t-shirt. I'm gonna show y'all this one. They had the merch and all that stuff out there, guys. They did their thing. Arkansas Creator. It say connect, create, innovate. And that's what we doing, y'all. So yeah, shout out to them, man. We gotta get to that. I need to get to that 10K. We doing that very, very soon. So you know, we're creeping up on 8K right now. Let's do it, y'all. Let's push it. Let's share these videos for me. I will be doing a giveaway. That 10K giveaway is gonna be crazy, y'all. Make sure it's something really good. So yeah, let's keep going, y'all. So I'm finna add on some more content. It'll be four-wheeler content. I was ripping it in the Yamaha, in the snow and all that stuff. My uncle recorded for me. Shout out to him. Cravings with Carlos. That's his channel. Has a food channel. So follow him. Again, that's Cravings with Carlos. So yeah, man, we on the way up, y'all, and we ain't stopping. So let's go. And y'all hit that thumbs up button, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're brand new. All right, I'll check in. right, now guys, we out here, got a little thumbnail picture in and all that, just for the video. It's what you call having some good old country fun. I'll hit a couple donuts for y'all real quick. Might end it off right here. We finna get a thumbnail real quick, y'all. Got this thing sitting out. I'm trying to figure out some ideas. My uncle helped me out over here, putting him to work. They got people over there sledding, y'all. Look at that. Everybody out here having fun. All right.